अडानी ग्रुप की कंपनी अडानी एनर्जी सॉल्यूशंस लिमिटेड की चौथी तिमाही में कुल कमाई यानी टोटल इनकम 6,596 करोड़ रुपए रही। ये पिछले साल की तुलना में 36% ज्यादा है। कंपनी की इस कमाई में ऑपरेशनल रेवेन्यू 6,375 करोड़ रुपए रहा। वहीं जनवरी से मार्च तिमाही में कंपनी का टोटल खर्च 5,412 करोड़ रुपए रहे और टोटल टैक्स 287 करोड़ रुपए रहा। टोटल इनकम में खर्च, टैक्स और अन्य खर्चे घटा दे तो कंपनी को चौथी तिमाही में 647 करोड़ रुपए का मुनाफा हुआ। ये पिछले साल की तुलना में 79% बढ़ा है, यानी कंपनी की कमाई के साथ मुनाफा भी बढ़ा है। अडानी एनर्जी ने 24 अप्रैल को जनवरी मार्च तिमाही के नतीजे जारी किए हैं।
Greetings. I am happy to share that Adani Energy Solutions today has reported a strong result for the quarter and year ending March 31st, 2025. Let me begin by providing you the financial highlight for the year and the quarter. FY25 revenue grew by 42% year on year to record rupees 24,447 crore. Mainly driven by contribution from the recently commissioned transmission project, robust energy sale in distribution utilities at Mundra and Mumbai, and contribution from smart metering business. FY25 total EBITDA, including other income, increased by 23% to record high of 7,746 crore, translating from double-digit revenue growth in transmission segment, consistent expansion in Mumbai utility EBITDA, and higher treasury income. The PAT for FY25 also witnessed a sharp increase of 103% year on year to reach all-time high figure of rupees 2,427 crore, resulting from higher EBITDA and aided by a reversal of net deferral tax liability of rupees 469 crore in the full year, primarily due to disinvestment of Dhanu Power Plant in AEML and regulatory income of rupees 148 crore in T&D segments. For the quarter ending 31st March 2025, AESL revenue witnessed a growth of 36% year on year to rupees 6,596 crore. EBITDA increased by 28% to rupees 2,262 crores. And the profit after tax saw a steep growth of 87% year on year to rupees 714 crore. Let me now also share our operational highlight of the quarter. During the quarter, we secured two new transmission projects, Navinal project and Mahan transmission project, thereby taking the new win in FY25 to 7 projects with a cumulative order book of close to 60,000 crore. AESL transmission network now stands at 26,696 km and 90,236 MVA of transformation capacity, further cementing our position as country's largest private sector transmission company. The average transmission system availability during the year stood at 99.7%, enabling to earn an incentive income of rupees 132 crore, reflecting our best-in-class practice in operating and maintaining the transmission infrastructure.